Hello everyone. Here is how I love geometry. I'm Mr. Chao. This is an Aime problem, 2011 Aime1 problem 4. The problem says in triangle ABC, AB is 125, BC is 120, AC is 117, and BK is the angle B bisector, and AL also an angle bisector, and we do the perpendicular segment from point vertex C to the AL and the BK. So we got the intersection point N and the intersection point M. So the problem that has to find MN. So you can pause here if you want to try the problem yourself. Okay, let's go ahead. Regularly, when we hear or when we see the angle bisector and the perpendicular, what idea you will got? So for me, I will easily to think about an isosceles triangle. Look at here, right? And perpendicular bisector. So this will be the angle bisector, and this is the perpendicular, right? So it means this will let us to think about if we extended Cn, for example here, Cn, if we extended Cn to the base AB, and we let us suppose the intersection point is P. Now triangle ACP will be an isosceles triangle. It means AP will be 117, right? And this point N will be the midpoint of PC, because triangle ACM is congruent to the triangle AMP. So this, let us think about, if we extended CM, then we will got the intersection point, let us say, is Q. So the triangle BCQ, also an isosceles triangle. I mean BQ will be 120, and M will be the midpoint of CQ, right? So M also the midpoint of CQ. So if we connect the M and the N, and it will be the median line of triangle PQC, right? This is theorem, and M and M, I mean MN, will be parallel and equals to 1/2 of PQ. This, and the problem let us to find MN. So if we just know MN is 1/2 of PQ. So, and we know AB is 125. Then if we want to know the PQ, we just need to know how much for the BP, right? How much for BP and how much for AQ. And we just say this one triangle BCQ is an isosceles triangle. It means BC congruent to BQ. So QA will be 125 minus 120, right? So it's 5. It means this is 5. And the same thing for the BP, because ACP, triangle ACP is also isosceles triangle, and we know AP is 117. So BP, well, 125 minus 117, so it's 8. Now we easily to find the PQ. So PQ equals 125 minus 8 and minus 5, so 112. Then MN, well, 1/2 of PQ is equals to 1/2 times 112, so it's 56. Done. So the most important idea of this problem is to think about the isosceles triangle. How can we get that? Because the given information talk about the angle bisector and the perpendicular. Then we can easily to think about to extend it, MP and MQ. We can get 2 isosceles triangle and easily to make the problem solved. Okay, that's the good point. I think we can stop here. I hope you enjoy it.